How to view maximum memory usage by apps on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on developer options. In here, tap on memory. Then we go down to the bottom and tap on memory usage. In here, you will be able to view apps that is using up your memory usage. Now tap on the more button, then tap on sort by maximum usage. This will sort the apps by maximum memory usage, so from the maximum down to the least. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.